we'll guide you through how to make a sub goal on Twitch. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creators on Twitch want to grow their channel and motivate viewers to subscribe. To make a sub goal on Twitch, start by opening a browser on your device and wait until the application is fully open. Once it is ready, click on the search bar, type Twitch, and press enter to search. From the results, click on Twitch and make sure you are logged into your account before continuing. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner and move your cursor to the creator dashboard. Inside the dashboard, go to the Stream Manager and click the plus button to add a new panel. Then go to the Community section, find Manage Goal, click the plus button, and press the cross button to add a goal widget. After that, click the star icon to mark it as active. You can now change the goal amount to set your desired number of followers. Decide whether you want to use the auto goal option or not, depending on your preference. If needed, click Goal Alerts to enable notifications. Next, customize the progress bar color to match your style and click Save to apply the changes. You can also type a specific description for your goal so viewers understand it clearly. In the browser source section, click Copy to get the link for your goal widget. After completing all settings, click Start Goal to activate it. Your goal should now be started successfully and visible to your audience during streams. When you are finished, click your profile icon again in the top right corner and move your cursor back to Twitch to return to the main page. This process ensures your sub goal is set up properly and ready to track your progress while streaming. It also helps you stay organized and focused on reaching your target audience growth more effectively. Additionally, viewers can easily see your progress, which can encourage more subscriptions and engagement during your live sessions on the platform as you continue building your channel over time. By maintaining clear goals, you create motivation for both yourself and your audience, making your streams more interactive and rewarding for everyone involved throughout each broadcast session you host on your channel regularly over time as your community continues to grow steadily online together.